Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today, I was live with Mrs. Gigi at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we did one prompt game. And this is my background for the prompts. We had numbers, dots, color pencils, um, something antique or vintage. We had tiny uh, clothespin, ephemera, whatever. And this is what I made with those prompts, okay? And then we did a scrap it because it's called Scrap It Thursday. So we did something with scraps. So what I done, since I'm working on a Friends Across the Miles junk journal, I thought I would start out by making one of my signatures. Okay, so what I done was took two book pages and washi taped them together on the outside here and the inside here. And then I took some printables from the group called TLC. So let me see. I'll make sure I give y'all the right name. It's called Printables for Your Junk Journaling with TLC. And I will link them down below in the comment section if you want to um, join the group. Now, I have some printables from the group, and no, I think all these printables came from the group. Okay, so I have this, which is awesome sauce. I can tell you. Let me go to the photos of the group, and I can tell y'all. Okay, this is how I'm going to tell y'all exactly what came from the group and what didn't. Okay, I have to find it. Okay. I can't find these. There's so many pictures, it's hard to find them. So, all I know is they all came from that group. So, I will link them down below in the comment section. If y'all want to join the group, y'all can join. I got this. This here came from this envelope here. That's the flap. Okay. So, this tag, these two little journaling cards. The backgrounds here came from there. These little vintage, what are they? This is for doctors. I think they're old, vintage prescription things. Yeah, they're prescriptions for prescription. Blah blah blah. I can't speak today. Another one of the tags, and another one of the bank deposit slips or withdrawal slip. I don't know which one it is. It doesn't state. And this was from San Francisco, California. They're both from the same one. And then on the back, I took some more another printable from the group and put it on the back of my paper. This also came from them. Okay, that is all for now. I want to say thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And I will link the video that I made this in down below in the comment section, all right? Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload new content. And please be safe, stay safe, be crafty, stay crafty, be blessed. Love and light to all, hugs and kisses to all, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.